Josh here from your team at JC Installs. I want to talk to you about interconnects. So an interconnect is an RCA lead. Do you remember how you used to plug your TV into your video player or your DVD player before we had HDMI? It's an interconnect or an RCA lead. We do a lot of the Stinger ones. These are a really good quality RCA lead. So our entry-level Stinger RCAs, they're pretty good, they're pretty basic. So you're running a subwoofer. Something like this is going to be fine. You're running one of our state-of-the-art Kenwood head units to a set of front speakers. One of these is adequate. So what it does is it sends a left and right signal from a stereo down to an amplifier. It drops the amount of interference that you can get from the vehicle itself. Car ones are really important to use in vehicles. They are designed to try and eliminate electromagnetic fields which are all through your car because your car is full of computers and all sorts of things. By stepping up, you step up the amount of current they're capable of running as well as stepping up the quality of the audio signal. This is a 4000 series. A little bit better grade of cable is used. It's a slightly better copper, it's a slightly better interconnect. Then you step up to your 6000 series, and yes, sure, it looks a little bit cooler. You're just getting a slightly better cable. It gives a better signal. I mean, we can go on all day. This is an 8000 series. You can see it looks like the business. So if you're trying to drive a really nice set of speakers, and you've got a really nice head unit and a really nice amplifier, you need to be using a really nice interconnect to make sure that you actually get all your music hitting the amplifier.